Here's a neat little inexpensive item you might just want to keep in your medicine cabinet. It's called Benzoin Compound Tincture. It was invented by Joshua Ward, an English doctor, in 1760. Another name for it is Friar's Balsam. My mother, who grew up during the Second World War in England, remembered this remedy very fondly as an antiseptic used for wounds. Benzoin products are made from the resin of styrax trees that grow in tropical regions. The resin is produced after they cut into the bark of the trees that are at least 7 years old. The resin hardens to give a brown solid that gives off a vanilla-like odor. The tincture of benzoin is made by soaking this resin in alcohol. What it does is form a coating over the skin, which protects it from harsh body fluids and adhesives from bandages. The tincture is most often used to make a bandage stick to the skin longer. It's also used by athletes and the military for blister protection. Orthopedic doctors also apply it under a cast because it reduces itching and protects the skin. One more common use is to heal canker sores. Well, I'm going to show you just how well it works. This is some medical tape. And you can see it's not going to last very long. So what you do is apply some tincture to a cotton ball, then apply it to the wound area. Wait until it dries, about 30 seconds. I'm going to take a new piece of tape. You're going to apply your bandage after it's dried. That baby's not coming off. I cannot get it off. Even though I'd known about the tincture since childhood, I recently used it for the first time when I bought these little sticky pads to put on my dog's paws to keep them from slipping on hardwood floors. Now they work very well, but they don't last long. And that's where this came in. So I did the same thing I just showed you. I added it to a cotton ball, put it on their pads, and once it was dry, I applied these stickies, and the difference was without it, they'd last 24 hours. With the tincture, they'd last at least 3 to 4 days, sometimes 5 days. So it's good stuff. And that's today's tidbit from Earth Clinic. Hope you enjoyed it.